Hi, welcome back to my channel. We're going to do part 2 of Picky Eater lunch ideas. So today I have my son with me and he's going to help me make some 3 different lunch ideas that I came up with. And I'll see you back in just a moment. So we have picky eaters, and sometimes picky eaters, it's just simply that they get tired of the same old, same old. So I wanted to try 3 different lunch ideas. The first one I'm going to do is a chicken salad type of roll-up. So what I did is I'm turning the ingredients for a chicken salad into a little wrap so they can take it all with them. So you take a tortilla, this 10-inch, or I think it's a 6-inch round, and I'm going to put the lettuce on, and then if you want to put some cucumbers, carrots, and grilled chicken. Now these are the things that he likes. He doesn't like tomatoes, so we're not going to put tomatoes in it, and he doesn't like cheese, so not that much. Sometimes he will, sometimes he won't. And then we'll put a few pieces of chicken. And then he likes ranch dressing, so we're going to put some ranch on here, drizzle it on, and then you just make it into a little roll-up. And you can pack this into your lunch, into like a Ziploc bag, or actually a saran wrap to hold it into place. But we'll cut this in half, and I'm going to let him taste it. Okay. You like it?
Good.
Okay, good. So now he's got his veggies, he's got meat, and he's got a little grain there also. So this is a healthy little lunch he can take with him. So I'll move that one on out the way. And we're going to work on the next one. And this next one, this is kind of like turning pizza into a lunch. So I'm going to take provolone because I'm from St. Louis, so provolone makes perfect sense to be on a pizza. And that's the cheese we're using. Again, I did a tortilla. I'm going to take some pepperoni and just kind of put it on there. And again, these are all going to be room temperature things, so they can keep them cold, but they don't have to warm them up. And so here's a little pizza roll up. Again, take a little saran wrap and you can just wrap that up and take it with you. I think, let me see, I'm gonna get a little bit more pepperoni here on the outside. And can cut this in half. And we got a little marinara sauce here on the side for him to dip, and you can just put that into those little to a little small dipping container. And tell me what you think about this.
Tastes like a mozzarella stick.
Oh, mozzarella stick. Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea. I like that. Okay, so that seems like an easy, good, quick idea to take for lunch. You got your cheese, your grain, and you got a little sauce on there. And then the last one, it's almost like peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but we're going to do a little different take. We're going to do Nutella and strawberry. Now, chocolate covered strawberry sounds delicious, and I'm not really big on peanut butter and grape jelly, so I figure we'll try a different way. So we'll spread a little bit of Nutella, which tastes like chocolate. It's hazelnut spread. So it has a little chocolate taste to it, which is nice. And put that on there, spread it on. To me, it's chocolate, so let's do the more the merrier, right? Lots of chocolate on there. And then take some strawberry preserves. And you can get whatever your favorite brand is. Spread that on there too. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And that looks delicious. Actually, I might actually want to eat this for lunch one day. And we're going to take it a step further and make a heart with it, because who wouldn't want a heart sandwich, you know? What child would? And just take a little, take it and pull it apart. Actually, I'm going to cut it apart, because this isn't coming out as easy as I thought it would, because it's a cookie cutter and it should just cut, right? I guess the bread's too thick. Okay, put those to the side. Try and get all these crusts off. It doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, they're kids. They like. Yes, ooh.
It's perfect.
It does look perfect because mommy made it right from her heart to yours. Get all these little edges off. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Maybe next time we'll just get squares. Okay, so taste that. Yeah, chocolate and strawberries. I think that's a good idea, but I wasted a lot. I don't like to waste. I think I'm gonna do squares next time. Yeah, it's good. So we got 3 different lunch ideas. We got the chocolate and strawberry sandwich. We have the chicken salad wrap, and we have the pizza roll-up. So here's some picky eater ideas. I hope you liked them. If you have any ideas of your own that you would like to share, please comment below. And as always, like and
subscribe.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye.